Hi, my name is Steve Ryan from Glenelg Hopkins Catchment Management Authority. Over my career working in the waterways and catchment management, I've had the privilege of seeing firsthand how small local actions can make a big difference to our health of our environment. We've partnered really closely with the university on projects that protect and enhance the Hopkins River and its surrounding habitats. Together with staff, students and local groups around the Warrnambool area, we've helped restore native vegetations, monitor fish and wildlife habitats and plant Indigenous tree species that support biodiversity, stabilise our banks and our waterways. Each planting and each small restoration effort adds up. It's all a small part of creating a resilient landscape and future generations can enjoy these. Glenelg Hopkins CMA is proud to continue to work with Deakin and our community to protect the Hopkins River, ensuring it remains a thriving, healthy waterway for people, wildlife and the region's future.